Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy here, and today I'll show you how to download FL Studio and make it working in Linux Mint, or you might be using other Linux distros. So basically first what you have to do is you have to download the executable. You go to download the FL Studio 11, and then you have all the FL Studio versions here. You search for FL Studio 11 or whatever version you want. You can even search for FL Studio 4 or FL Studio 25. You download it. Let's just show you. So um, let's go to FL Studio 11. You download it and then you extract it. And after that, you also download Lutris, and you click on the plus button, you click on add locally installed game. Then as you can see, I already have FL Studio 25 and FL Studio 11. You write for the name FL Studio 11, you choose Wine, runs Windows games, release year 2013. And then game options, this is important because this you will have to change later. You choose this one, you click OK. So this is the executable because this is the installer. Okay, so you go to runner options, you look at all my settings. You don't need these activated. This is not a this is not a video game. This works offline as well. And then you go to system options, you go to save, and I'll also show you how to change the skin and how to install VSTs. So as you can see, this is the old version. This is the previous FL11. These are both the same FL11s obviously, but this is the new one. You click on start, and yeah, this is the installer. Okay, so you go through the installer of FL Studio 11, and once it's done with the installer, everything is done, you go next, 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 whatever. Then you go back, you go to configure, if my computer doesn't lag. Yes, you go back to configure, then you go back to game options, you go to browse, then you go to your home, then you go to that wine, then you go to drive C, then you go to program files, then you go to image line, then you go to FL Studio 11, then you search for fl64.exe or fl.exe. It depends on which version of FL Studio you want to run. If you want to run the FL normal one, you can choose this one, or if you want to run the FL64, then you choose this one, you click OK. So after that, you click on save, and it's gonna save. So as you can see, so this is time played less than a minute. So this is the new one that I just basically added. We're gonna play, we're gonna open it. So obviously I have the skin, everything, I am logged in, everything. And yeah, just like on Windows, you would go to options, general settings, then you would go to file, you have all your files here, and yeah, that's how it works. For FL Studio 25, the same thing. You download the latest version, or I think there's even an option to search. You click on the plus button, and then you search for FL Studio, and I think it will give you like the latest version. You click on this, and then I think it's this one, GUI V21 installer. I'm not sure, but to be sure, you just download the latest version. You do basically the same thing that I did with FL11, so I don't need two versions of this. And I want to show you how to install VSTs. Basically, like you would do on Windows, you search for VST, for example, Vital VST, and then you go here, you download the the get vital, you go basic or plus or whatever, and what you will do is you will have to log in, or yeah, I already have an account, whatever, and then you go download the exe file, and I will also show you where to download the exe file too. So I already have this vital file, so what you need to do basically is you go to your files, my computer, home, and when you want to install the exe file, obviously you need wine for all of this. You go to home, you go to .wine, then you go to drive C, then I go to program files, and then I created a separate folder called VST, and I have all the VSTs here. I also have the installers. I obviously don't really need this once it's done. So yeah, you have all the DLL files, and after that you go to your FL Studio,